Hey there, Paul Huber for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thank you so much for dropping in to check out our video today. I'd like to welcome all of our online automotive shoppers. We really hope that this video is helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a Nissan Certified Pre-Owned 2017 Altima SR. This vehicle is in excellent condition. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax, and it has just 11,000 miles and is still under factory warranty. As you can see, it's nicely equipped with alloy wheels with those Dunlop tires, and it has an interior that features gray cloth throughout with heated front bucket seats and power driver's seat as well. Plenty of room for 3 passengers and back. Looking up front, we see that it has a very nice selection of electronics and convenience and safety items as well. Those features include push-button start, plus it has steering wheel mounted audio controls, as well as a very nice audio system that features AM, FM, CD, and MP3 inputs, along with Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Finally, we throw a backup camera in there, and we've got a very nicely equipped vehicle indeed. All you need to do now is give us a call at 615-224-8314 today, and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime warranty. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.